Hi everyone, Miss Stephanie here with a talk on mindset, which is our word of the month for August. And we just really wanted to share a few key points on mindset and really some ways that you can help master your mindset. The first point I want to share is that you get to choose your mindset. So you get to choose whether you think negatively about things or positively, and that really does determine your mood and your outlook. You can choose to look at challenges as a negative and only see the setbacks, or you can look at those challenges as opportunity for learning and growth. We here at Seven Spears like to look at challenges as a way to grow. Of course, that's why we do a lot of the things we do in our training, our exercises, our testing, because challenges are opportunities to get stronger and they make us better. The second point I like to share is that you never have to have a bad day. It's true that you're going to have some bad circumstances that you really can't control, but once you're past that circumstance, you can decide that the rest of the day is going to get better. You can decide to have a fresh outlook. You can attend your karate class or jujitsu, Muay Thai, whatever class it is you're attending, with just a new perspective and see how everything changes and how your day gets better from there. The last point is that boredom is a mindset. You never really have to be bored with anything. First of all, if you tell yourself that you're bored with something, of course you're going to be bored with it. So the best way to not become bored is to find new ways to think about what you're doing. If it's a technique that you've been practicing for years, think of some new goals, some new ways that you can improve that technique. Maybe you can become stronger, faster, more flexible. I like to take myself as an example. I never get bored of practicing my basics, and I've been doing it for over 20 years. And that's just because every time I train, I think of new things that I'd like to improve when I'm training. And that kind of mentality and being able to not allow yourself to become bored with something is really the key to not only enjoying life more, but becoming excellent in these skills that you're practicing and you're trying to master. We like to share these words of the month because we want to help you develop your character and also succeed in your martial arts as well as outside of martial arts. And mindset is just really super important to understand how to master and develop, because it's one of the few things you can control. You can't always control what happens to you, but you can control how you react to what happens to you. If you learn how to master your mindset, you'll find that you can succeed not only in your martial arts, but pretty much any area of your life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and training tools and word of the month talks, and we will see you soon.